My today's topic is a very difficult one because the topic itself is an extraction from a holy book, though it has been shared or peddled or understood falsely. Now, it's an extraction from First Timothy 6:10. But now the false belief or the misconception about that scripture is money is the root of all evil. Now, the actual quote is the love of money is the root of all evil. Now, my objective today is to ensure that just to try to explain what money is, because personally I believe beyond any reason, actually, not even a shred of doubt, that money is not the root of all evil. Loving money, for example, greed, can lead to evil decisions, but money itself is an inanimate object, actually purely lifeless. It's neither good nor evil. Money is a tool, like a hammer. You can use a hammer to build a house, or if you like, torture a kitten. Regardless of how you use it, the hammer itself is merely an object. The person operating the hammer permeates it with meaning. Money amplifies you. If you were already a jerk, disrespecting people, abusing people, mistreating people, and then you get a bunch of money, nothing else has changed apart from you getting money or having money. Now you are just a jerk with money. But if you are a kind, generous, responsible person, your money management will reflect that. Money doesn't create new people, but it just amplifies the previous person or the person without money. We should, the person you were before you got money. Now, we should neither blame nor praise money. Why? Because money is nothing more than a tool. It's purely a tool. It is our job to learn how to use that tool in the best way that we can. Finally, money is also an economic unit that functions as a generally recognized medium of exchange for transactional purposes in an economy. Money is commonly referred to as currency, and different governments have their own currency systems. So let's get rid of the myth and build our purchasing power. Money is never and will never be evil. That is my take.